Children, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
How are you, children?
Fine, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
Fine. Okay, so children, we were revising fractions 1. So what we learned, equivalent fractions. What is equivalent fractions?
Fractions that denote same part of whole. That denote the same
Fractions that denote the same part of a whole, that is called equivalent fraction. And then we learned like fractions. What is like fractions?
Fractions that have same denominator.
Same denominator. Okay, same denominator. Fractions with same denominator, that is called like fraction. Then different denominators, that is called unlike fractions. Okay, so children, we are now also we discussed how to add and subtract like fractions. So now we are going to do fraction of a number. Fractions 2, fraction of a number. So children, to find the fraction of a number, what we have to do? To find the fraction of a number. Who can tell me? To find the fraction of a number, what we will do? We will multiply. We will multiply. To find the fraction of a number, we will multiply. So children, are you ready with your rough book?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Then we are going to write fraction of a number. So children, you have to write the question and answer in the same rough book every day. Yes, children. So first question. Okay. So children, you can write revision. Revision. Rough book. You have to keep workbook also with you and revision of chapter 9. Fractions 2.
Page number?
Now we are writing in the rough book, not page number. Okay. Fractions 2. Now children, first question, half of a dozen. We are making half of a dozen. So children, to find the fraction of a number, what we should do? We should multiply. We should multiply. Okay,
Excuse
now
me,
tell me, half of a dozen. So what is a dozen? Half of, what is a dozen means?
10.
Huh?
12.
12, yes. Half of 12. So to find the fraction of a number, children, we should multiply. So instead of we will write half multiplied by 12. So instead of this of, children, what we will do? We will multiply with 12. So 1 into 12 is 12 divided by 2. So what's the answer? 12 divided by 2. Yes, children. Half of a dozen. 1 dozen is equal to 12. So 1 by 2 times 12. So we can do 12, 6. Okay, 12. What is the half of 12? 6. So children, you have to remember here, instead of what we will do? We will multiply. A dozen means it's 12 numbers. Now children, the same question I will find quarter. Quarter of 12. So what do you mean by quarter? Yes.
10.
Quarter. Half means 1 by 2. So what will be quarter? Yes, children. Quarter we learned last year. It's 1/4. Yes, 1/4. 1/4. It's same as quarter. 1/4. Okay. So quarter of 12 means 1 by 4. Instead of we will write multiply 12. Yes, children. So find out the answer. 12 into 1, we will multiply 12 by 4. So what is 12 divided by 4? Yes, children?
Ma'am,
Quarter of
Ma'am, 3.
3. So that is 3 fours are 12. So children, half of a dozen. Half of a dozen means we are finding half times. Half multiplied with a 12. So the answer is 6. Quarter means what? 1/4. 1/4 of 12. So 12 divided by 4. So the answer is 3. Finished?
Ma'am,
Hmm.
ma'am, no. Can you zoom the board little bit?
Big.
Ma'am, can you zoom the board little bit?
Ah.
Small.
So
Ma'am, I cannot see.
you cannot
Ma'am, I
see?
can see.
I will share it again.
Ma'am, now it is okay.
Okay, half of a dozen, then quarter of 12. Okay, finished. Now question number 3. See, after when we finish only, it's coming small. Okay, so try to write with me. Don't waste the time. 2 by 5 of a meter. 2 by 5 of a meter. Write the question also. Otherwise, after some time, you will not understand what we have written. So, children, question number 3.
I join now only.
Just we have in question number 3. Okay. Children, 2 by 5, instead of this off, what we will write? Multiply. Now, children, a meter is equal to how many?
Multiply.
1 meter, how many centimeter? 1 meter is equal to? 1 meter is equal to how many centimeter?
100.
100. So children, we will write 2 by 5 instead of we will do multiply. A meter means 100 centimeter. Now children, you can multiply 2 into 100, 200 divided by 5. Find out the answer. 200 divided by 5. That find out the answer, and the unit is centimeter. So children, you can do long division or cutting method. Long division, 200 divided by 5.
And 40.
40. So children, 20 divided by 5. What is 20 divided by 5? 5 fours are 20. 5 into 4, 20. When you subtract. Now bring down that 0. Keep it over here. So the answer is 40 centimeter. The answer is 40 centimeter. Okay, correct. So children, how we can do the cutting method? The same numbers here we have 20. 5 how many times in 20? 5. 4 times in 20. 5 into 4 is 20. And this 0 is there. So we can write here the answer is 40. 1 0 is there. That 0 you have to write. So the answer is 40 centimeter. Okay, children, finished? Question number 4.
No, yes, ma'am. Finish.
Ashwin, please mute your audio. Rishikesh. Okay, next one. Children, 2 by 3 of an hour. 2 by 3. 2 by 3 of an hour. Question number 4. 2 by 3 of
I can see, not your
an
notebook.
hour. I told you can write it faster. Otherwise, can you see now? 2
Yes.
by 3 of an hour. 2 by 3 of an hour. So children, can you tell me 1 hour is equal to how many minutes? 1 hour.
60 minutes.
Okay. So you can find out 2 by 3 of an hour. So 2 by 3 instead of we will write multiply. An hour means 60 minutes. 60
Ma'am, I cannot see your writing. Ma'am, I can also not see.
Why?
Ma'am, I can see.
Children, maybe
I can see.
Ah.
I can see.
Okay.
Show the board.
Wait 1 minute. Let me see that who, and I'm sharing the board again. Okay, children.
Yes.
Ah.
That's correct.
So 2 by 3 of an hour.
Finish. Now I can see.
So children, 2 by 3, how you have to write now? 2 by 3 times 60 minutes. 1 hour. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So what we have to write now? 2 by 3 into 60. So 2 into 60 we can write. 6 twos are
6 twos are 12.
12. So here we have 1 0. So 120 divided by 3. What's the answer?
120.
120 divided by
by
3. What's the
3.
answer? 12 divided by 3. 12 by 3.
40.
Yes. So children, 4 threes are 12. So when you bring down 0, that 0 we can place it over here. So children, the final answer is 40 minutes. So 2 by 3 of an hour means
140.
You can write minutes only. 40
Excuse
minutes.
me, ma'am.
Yes.
The fifth one and fourth one answers are same.
Okay. So that is 40 centimeter and this is 40 minutes. Okay. So children, here we can use cutting method. How we can do cutting method? 3. How many times in 12? 4 times. Okay. 4 threes are 12 and this 0 we can place it here. So 120 divided by 3 means it is 40. 40 minutes. So children, we completed now till 4 questions. Can you take out your workbook? We will discuss the one words. Page number 24, workbook. So children, whenever we come for math revision, you have to keep the book and workbook. I will tell you, all of you please mute your audio because some network issue. Page number 24, page 24, workbook. Page number 24, question number 1. Ashwin, can you read?
Yes, ma'am.
Page number 24, question number 1.
Okay, ma'am.
All others, please listen carefully. Mute your audio. Fractions 2. Question number 1. Yes, children. Yes, Ashwin. Okay, Rishi. Read.
Quarter of 16 chocolate.
He's reading. A quarter of
Quarter of 16 chocolates.
chocolates. So, children, a quarter means what? A quarter means. So, children, we are discussing now page number 24. Page number 24, workbook, question number 1. A quarter of 16. Four. Okay, so children, you can write in the rough book if you want. Quarter means 1 by 4 multiplied with 16. So 16 into 1, 16 into 1, 16 by 4. That is equal to 4 chocolates. Correct answer. Okay, 4 chocolates. Okay, now Al-Saba, can you read question number 2? Children, you had to 1 minute. Okay, children, these calculations and all we can do again in the rough book. So what you have to do? Keep your rough book open along with your workbook. Rough book and workbook we have to do together. Okay. Question number 2. Yes, Elsam.
A third of 15 volts is 5 volts.
A third of 15. Third of 15 means what? 1 by 3 of 15. 1 by 3 times 15. Now, children, what do you have to do? 1 into 15 is 15 by 3. What's the answer?
5 volts.
5. Okay, 5 balls.
5 volts.
So, children, A third means it is 1/3, 1/3 of what we will do? Multiply with the 15. So 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5 balls. Okay. Now, Catherine, can you read question number 3? Catherine? Yes. Page number 24, the same page, question number 3.
Okay.
Yes.
Half a dozen pens is dash.
Half of a dozen. We discussed already. 1/2 times 12. 6, yes. Half of 12. That is 6. That's correct. 6 pens. Okay. Now, question number 4. Anthony, can you read Anthony? Question number 4. Yes, Catherine, you can mute your audio. Yes, Catherine. Yes, Anthony.
Fourth question.
Fourth. Catherine, mute your audio. Half of a meter. Half of a meter. Okay, Catherine, can you please mute your audio? Catherine? Okay. Now all the children has to write this question. All the children. Write here. Question number 5. Half of a meter. Half of a meter. Children, write. Write fast, okay? Half means what? 1/2. Instead of we will do multiply. A meter. Yes, yes. You have to write in the rough book. A meter. 1 meter is equal to how many centimeter?
100.
100. Yes, very good. So we had to write, children, instead of 100 centimeter. So 1 into 100, 100 divided by 2. So that answer is 50 centimeter. Very good. Correct answer. So look here, centimeter. Meter we converted into centimeter. So the final answer will be 50 centimeter. I want all the children write this along with revision when we are writing in the rough book. Also we had to write this question from the workbook. Only some questions we will write. Christo, question number 6. No, from question number 5 from your workbook. Question number 5 from your workbook. 1.
Ma'am, who should read?
You had to read, no, Christo? Question number 5.
1/4 of an hour is
1/4 of an hour. Children, write 1/4 of an hour.
15.
15. We have to.
Minutes.
We will do that again. Write in the rough book. 1/4. So what do you have to do? 1/4 times 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. I hope all are writing. Let me see. Yes, Rishikesh is writing very good. Adnan, I can see. What about others? All are writing? 1/4 into 60. So children, 60/4. Find out this calculation again. We know that answer 60 divided by 4. 60 divided by 4. So 1 into 4. 6 minus 4, 2. Bring down 0. So 20 divided by 4. What is 20/4? 20 divided by 4. How many times 4? 5? 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 4 is 20. So children, the answer is 15 minutes. 15 minutes.
Ma'am, I cannot see the board.
I will make it here.
Ma'am, it is very small. I can see the board. Ma'am, I cannot see the board.
I will write it again. So children, look here. What we have written here, 1/4. 1/4. 1/4 of an hour. So what we have done, instead of an hour, 1/4 times 60. So 60 divided by 4. That much minutes. So we got the answer. 60 divided by 4. 1 into 4, 4. Bring down. So 20 by 4. What's we have done here? 5 times 4, it's 20. So 15 minutes. Yes, children, did you get the answer?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So question number 6, Gurujit.
Yes, ma'am.
Question number 6.
1/5 of
Ah.
a kilogram.
Ah.
Yes.
1/5. Ah. Others, please mute your audio. 1/6. 1/5.
Yes.
Question number 6. 1. All the children write in your rough book. 1/5 of a kilogram. Kilogram. So you should know what is 1 kilogram is equal to how many gram? 1/5. How we will write all this? We should know. So 1/5 we will write 1 by 5. Instead of, multiply. A kilogram is equal to how many gram? 1 kilogram.
1,000.
1000 gram. Very good. 1000 gram. So children, 1 into 1000. It will be 1000 by 5. Do that again alone.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ah,
For kilogram, can we write kg?
we can write kg. Kilogram, kg also we can write.
Ma'am, 5,000.
100 divided by 5. No, it's not 100. 1000. 1000 divided by 5.
What to write?
1000 divided by 5. Do the long division. 10 by 5. 10 divided by 5. 2. Very good. 5 twos are 10.
Ma'am, 20 we can take. Then 100.
Then we have 20. That 20 we had to write. Yes. How many gram? Children?
200.
200
200
gram. Gram we should write because children, here kg, kilogram into gram. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. So 1/5 of a kilogram is equal to 1 by 5 into 1000. So children, when we multiply 1 into 1000, 1000 by 5. Or children, I told you we can use a cutting method. So that how we can do here. Here we can write 5. How many times in 10? 5 twos are 10. 5 twos are 10. Then we have 20 here that we have to write it here. We can use this long division method or here like this cutting method. Okay, any method, but you have to find out the answer. So 5 in 10 2 times. 5 twos are 10. Then we have 20 that we have to write it here. Okay, Akshit, can you read question number 7? Question number 7 from the workbook, page number 24.
2 by 3 of 9. Ma'am, I can only hear you.
Here it's okay. Maybe because network issue. Yes, yes, Akshit, louder.
9 is.
Question number 7. Again, question number 7. 2 by 3.
Of 9 is. Ma'am, I
2
cannot
by
hear.
3 of 9. 2 by 3 of 9. Okay, so what we have to do? Christo, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
So tell me what we have to do here. 2 by 3 instead of into 9. Okay. So children, you can do multiply 2 into 9. What is 2 into 9? 9 twos are 18 by 3. 18 divided by 3. What's the answer? 6 threes are 18. 6 threes are 18. 6 threes are 18. So the answer is 18. So children, that cutting method, see how we can do 2 by 3 into 9. 3, how many times in 9? 3 threes are 9. 3 threes are 9. Then you have to multiply 2 and 3. 2 threes, that is also 6. So any method, children, if you multiply the numerators together, or if you use this cutting method, the answer is the same. Maker, can you read question number 8? Yes, Meka. It's not audible. What happened? Unmute.
1 by 7 of 14 is
Ah.
dash.
1 by 7 of 14. So what do you have to do? 1 into 14. 14 by 7.
14 by
What's the answer?
7. 2.
2. Okay. All of you got the answer. 2. Very easy. 7
Yes.
2s are 14. 7 2s are 14.
14.
Catherine, I hope you are writing. Yes? Where is the book? Rough book? Children, please try to write with me. Okay, we are doing revision. When we do more questions, when we do more questions, we are practicing faster. Okay. So, question number 9. Yes, Catherine again. Question number 9.
Ma'am, I can read.
Wait. Next one. Okay. Catherine, I hope she's feeling sleepy. Question number 9 from page number
1 by
25.
6 into 60.
1 by 6 into 60. 1
10.
by 6 into 60. Okay.
10.
60 into 1 is 60
60.
divided by 6.
10.
10.
Ma'am,
Very
the
good. Correct
answer is
answer.
10.
10. Very good. So, Catherine, write fast. Keep the rough book and workbook together. I told you, children. Yes. So, we can do workbook and rough book together. So, 1 by 6 into 60. 60, we will 1 into 60 is 60 divided by 6. The final answer is 10. Very good. Okay. Next one.
Ma'am, I can read.
Nived.
Find 3 by.
Who was reading now? Okay, continue.
Okay, ma'am.
Ah.
Find 3 by 4 of meter in centimeter.
3 by
3 by
4 of
4.
a meter. 1 minute. Don't say the answer. All the children write this question. Let me see. All are writing. Let me see. 3 by 4 of a meter. Don't say the answer. Yes, Catherine, where are you writing now this question? 3 by 4 of a meter. Fast. Otherwise, when we discuss the answer, you will write the question. Okay, Kashinath, tell me. 1 meter is equal to how many centimeter? Kashinath. 1 meter equal to how many centimeter?
Ma'am, I can tell.
I can
100
tell.
centimeter.
100 centimeter. Yes, Kashinath, are you there? 3 by 4 instead of multiply.
Excuse me, ma'am.
A meter. A meter
I
is
can
equal
tell.
to
100.
100 centimeter. Okay, now 3 into 100 is 300 divided by 4. 300 divided by 4. All of you do alone, okay? 300 divided by 4. Kashinath, write in the rough book. Are you writing? Let me see all are writing yes or no.
Ma'am,
Let me see.
finish.
Finished, okay.
I'm
Those who
sorry.
finish, please wait. Please wait. Let me see whether all are writing.
Finish, ma'am, I answer. Ma'am, which is the question?
Okay, now 300 divided by 4. What's the answer, children?
75.
95. So, first we will take 30. 30 divided by 4. 7 times 4, 28. Okay, 7 times 4, 28. So, when you subtract 30 minus 28, you will get 2. Bring down 0. So, how many times 4? 5 times 4, 20. 5 into 4 is 20. So the answer is correct. 75. 75 what? Centimeter. Look at the question here, children. We have converted a meter into 100 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So what we will write? 3 into 100, 300 divided by 4. 300 divided by 4. The answer is 75 centimeter. Okay. Now, next question. Question number 11. Children, do it this. 3 by 1/5 of 30. And after that, question number 12. 1/3 of 15. 1/3 of 15. Do these two questions alone, okay?
Yes.
So 1 by 5 into 30. So 30 divided by 5. What's the answer?
Ma'am, 6.
6. Okay. Next question. 1 by 3 of 15. Yes. 15 into 1. 15 divided by 3. Find out the answer. 3 times which number you will get 15? 5. 5. You are dividing. So 5 threes are 15. 5 threes are 15. So that's answer. 1/5 of 30. 1/5 of 30 means what you have to do? Instead of this of, what we have to do, children? Multiply. Then multiply the one numerator. 1 into 30. 30 divided by 5. 6. 6 into 5. 6 5s are 30. 1/3 of 15. So 1/3 of 15. So what's the answer? 5. Okay, so, time is over. So children, here we were discussing which chapter? Chapter 9. Children, you had to do more problems from this workbook in your rough book. Okay, so we can continue our revision. So today we were revising chapter 9. Okay, children, I can see. Can you show me your rough book where you were writing, all of you? Where you are writing? Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Just to show. I can see. Very good, very good. I can see all these children who are showing me.
Yes. Ma'am.
What about Noel and Nia? You are
Ma'am.
writing? Okay, very good.
Ma'am, look.
Yes, yes, I can see, Christo. Okay, so very good, children. So you have to continue little more questions from the workbook, and I will send you the revision test, and I will inform. Next class we will do revision test. So prepare well. Okay, children. Bye.
Bye.
Prepare well,
Ma'am.
and next class.
Bye.